Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you what you should do before first start of your washing machine Whirlpool TDLR. So in the first step, open cover and load to the chamber number 2 small quantity of the detergent, like 50 milliliters, maybe 75 milliliters of the detergent. Remove any accessories from inside your device. Then close the door. And now select the cotton mode in 95 degrees without any clothes. Leave the washing machine empty and start the program. After this process, you can start washing your clothes. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.